Hi, Sack here. Guess what? Season 8 is coming up. But as you know, I changed all the rest of them into Om Nom Animation Characters, and that would be uncopyrighted. How about that? Everybody wants to join me.
Sack thing, what's going on here?
Nothing much.
Sack, I can't believe this season 8 is coming. And someone got completely changed them into the real characters. They can act, gesture, speak, and more.
Oh, that's right. Season 8 is coming?
What, you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Ooh, I almost forgot. Somebody needs to retire. That gives -10. What do we say, everybody?
-10!
Whoa, it's the Chameleon Brothers again. I heard them. Uh-oh, I got to go. Just leave a like and comment on this video. I'll be back out of no time. Hee hee.